Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Today what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and do a full wash on the Camaro RS. This thing's absolutely filthy. You may not be able to pick it up in camera, but this thing is gross. If I come up to it in person and really close, you can actually see what a disaster it really is. So what we're going to do today is we're going to go ahead and wash the whole thing. I'll do a step-by-step on how I actually wash this thing, and it's going to be absolutely popping after this. So we're going to do a basic wash, rinse, and dry. Then we'll do the wheels and we'll do the tire shine as well. But absolutely, these wheels are disgusting. Compare this to the back wheels. I mean, the back wheels aren't clean by no means, but definitely a lot less brake dust on the back wheels than the front wheels. We're not going to do the interior today, so we're actually just going to go ahead and do the whole entire car today. It's going to look awesome. Then I'll take it out and show you the after shots. Alright, so silly me, I don't have any soap, so we're actually going to go to the store right now, pick up some soap. I grabbed the washer fluid on accident, and I was like, wait, not the washer fluid, the wiper fluid, and I was like, wait, this is not soap. So we're going to ride to the store real quick, pick up some soap, be really quick, like 5 minutes, and then we will see y'all back at the house, so peace. Alright folks, she's all washed. It's about to rain. Got the microfiber towel right here. Let's go ahead and dry it off. Alright folks, there you guys go. Decided I'm not going to fully dry it because it is windy and it is about to storm. So it is windy as heck, as you can hear. But this is it right here. Awesome, guys. If you guys are wondering what I've done, how I wash it, Basically, I use pretty much two things. I'll use the basic car wash right here, Armor All, and then I use a McGuire's hot foam shine. I'll link in the description for both of these. This is a cheap way that you can go ahead and wash your car without buying all these insane products and spending $100 on a car wash. You can literally do this yourself. It's like $5. This is like $5, so it's like $10, and this will last you many car washes, guys. So super cool stuff, and that is how. And it came out awesome, as you guys can see right here. But I'm gonna let it. I'm not gonna really dry it too much because it is about to rain, like I said. So. Alright, so there you guys have it. That's a full-on car wash for the 2016 Camaro RS with the NPP6 package. Like I said, you guys do not have to do anything expensive. Just use basic car wash and some tire shine with a microfiber towel, a 5-gallon bucket, some water from your hose. You don't have to go crazy trying to get expensive products for your car. You can do just fine for like $5-10. Make your car look absolutely poppin'. But that's it for today, folks. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear back from you guys. And tell me what kind of cars you guys have. I have the 2018 F150 5.0 with the 4-wheel drive, and then the Camaro RS 2016. It's actually my brother's car, but I like to work on it and do videos about it. So if you have any questions on what I've done to the truck, link in the description, and the Mustang as well. If you do buy it from the link, I do get a small commission, a small kickback when you do purchase something, and it helps support the channel a lot. And if you're wondering on if you want to start investing, make a little extra money for truck mods, car mods, I do have a link in the description for M1 Finance, Coinbase, and Robinhood. So Robinhood, you get a free stock. M1 Finance, you would get $30 toward next stock that you buy, and then Coinbase, you would get $10 up to free Bitcoin. So super cool. And stay tuned for next video, guys. Peace.